Hi, this is Art with OCRV here in Yorba Linda. We've done this Winnebago adventure for Mike Zapata, great customer of ours. Just got this coach and he brought it in for some mechanical issues, gas gauge not working, just purchased things. So he wanted us to go through it head to toe, check out the engine, the generator, service the transmission. We ended up having to drop the fuel tank and put in a new fuel pump sender unit, got all that squared away. And then Mike inquired about audio video. It had all the original TVs in it and stuff. So showed him a couple projects we did around the shop, and then we decided to update some TVs in the front and back, AV receiver, some nice orb audio, subwoofer. So we're delivering the coach to Mike today and he's thrilled with it, thank God. So anyways, we're going to introduce you to Mike and show you some pictures of the coach that we built for him.
How you doing? This is my name is Mike Zapata, and we just acquired this 2001 Winnebago Adventurer. It had all original parts. It was sitting in the desert for a while, for years, and we acquired it. Got all new TVs, got it all serviced, and I want to personally thank Art and the team at OCRV for a job well done. And they got a new customer, and our family's super excited. Come on in. All right, so. Originally, there was those big box TVs that you usually find. Art and the team, they took out the old TVs and put in new custom 32-inch TVs with all new woodwork that matched. What I was really impressed about is they matched the original stain with the new stain, so it looks like a factory work instead of aftermarket work, which really impressed me. They put in new receivers, new wiring, new orbs, surround sound system, yeah, it looks really, really nice. They put new 32-inch TV in the back cabin, so my kids can also hook up and their PlayStations and do their thing when we're out camping. We're looking to, Art and the team is going to look to do some new fabric and a couple new ideas that they're putting together for the coach. So I look forward to showing you the progress then as well. So thank you again to the team at OCRV.